Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Mastery Ideas. If you are thrilled about making money online, you're in exactly the right spot. Today we're diving deep into the awe-inspiring combination of ChatGPT, cryptocurrency trading, and the revolutionary notion of passive income. Imagine a scenario where you could earn 1.00 daily, the freedom of working on your terms and the ability to enjoy life without being tied to a 9-to-5 job. Sounds blissful, doesn't it? Today I will give you a roadmap, a clear guide that can possibly lead you toward that very goal. Make sure to stick around till the end, as I will share insider tips and real-life success stories. Let's get started. Before we jump in, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss a single money-making tip we share here at Money Mastery Ideas. And don't forget to share this video with anyone looking to transform their financial future. Let's kickstart your journey to wealth. 1. Understanding ChatGPT. First, let's talk about ChatGPT. It's an incredible AI-driven language model, developed by OpenAI, capable of understanding and generating human-like text. You might be wondering, how can an AI model help me in the world of trading and finance? Well, let's break it down. 1. Research assistant. ChatGPT can sift through vast amounts of information quickly. Want to know the latest trends in crypto? Need summaries of rigorous white papers? ChatGPT can provide concise and informative outputs that empower you. 2. Market analysis. It can analyze past market performances, identify trends, and help you make informed trading decisions. With its ability to simulate conversations, you can even role-play scenarios, asking it complex questions about trading patterns. 3. Automating tasks. Imagine automating your research process. ChatGPT can generate templates, research guides, and help craft personalized trading plans based on market data, time-saving technology at its best. 4. Learning tool. If you're a beginner, it serves as a great tutor, able to explain the complexities of crypto trading in simple, digestible terms. Want to understand those confusing indicators? ChatGPT can break them down, so whether you're just starting or if you're already familiar with trading, using ChatGPT can give you a significant competitive edge to the world of crypto trading. With that understanding, let's transition to crypto trading itself. What is it and why is it the talk of the town? 1. Volatility. The cryptocurrency market is notorious for its high volatility, meaning prices can skyrocket and plummet in mere hours. This creates the perfect environment for traders looking to capitalize on price changes. 2. Fundamental concepts. It's essential to understand some core principles before diving in. Market capitalization. This refers to the total value of all coins in circulation for a specific cryptocurrency. It offers insight into a coin's stability and potential for growth. Liquidity. The ease with which an asset can be converted into cash without affecting its market price dictates your trading strategy. Exchanges. Familiarize yourself with platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, which serve as gateways to buying, selling, and trading crypto. Technical analysis. In exploring trading strategies, understanding charts, price movements, and market trends cannot be overstated. Chart patterns like the head and shoulders, double tops, and flags can signal upcoming price movements based on historical data. 4. Trading strategies. Whether you're into day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing, there are numerous strategies. Day trading, quick trades that capitalize on short-term market fluctuations. Traders need to be incredibly alert and informed about market movements. Swing trading. This method involves taking trades based on expected upward or downward market swings over a few days to weeks. Hodling. A strategy focused on buying and holding coins for extended periods, regardless of price fluctuations. 5. Risk management. Remember, trading is not without its risks. Always trade with caution. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, and diversify your portfolio to safeguard against the volatility of individual assets. Combining ChatGPT with trading now, let's explore the red-hot topic that bridges the gap between ChatGPT and trading, using AI to enhance your trading journey. 1. Real-time analysis. Imagine receiving real-time updates, alerts, and analysis from ChatGPT regarding price changes and market movements. You don't have to manually sift through endless data. Let AI do that for you. 2. Backtesting strategies. Before committing real capital, you can backtest your strategies by feeding ChatGPT historical data and seeing how well those strategies would have performed under different conditions. 3. Emotionless trading. Human emotions often lead to poor trading decisions. By relying on ChatGPT for analytics and decision-making, you strip away that emotional layer, enhancing the consistency and success of your decisions. 4. Automating responses. Imagine being able to set up an automated trading bot powered by ChatGPT that not only analyzes data, but also takes action when specific criteria are met. This can help tremendously in capitalizing on market swings. Knowledge expansion. The crypto landscape is rich and ever-expanding. Use ChatGPT for creating a personalized learning loop, asking complex questions about the technology behind cryptocurrencies, various projects, and their real-world applications. This iterative learning reinforces your knowledge base, enabling better investment decisions, earning passive income with crypto. While active trading can be profitable, many traders are gravitating toward the concept of passive income in crypto. Let's explore some lucrative opportunities. 1. Staking. Certain cryptocurrencies allow you to stake coins, locking them up in the network to support its operations. In return, you earn rewards. This can provide a steady stream of income over time. Example, Ethereum 2.0 allows staking of ETH, rewarding you with additional ETH for helping secure the network. By simply holding your coins and staking them, you can earn passive income without having to sell. 2. Yield farming. This is a more advanced DeFi method where users provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges and earn interest or tokens in return. You're putting your funds to work while essentially lending them out. 3. Liquidity pools. Similar to yield farming, adding liquidity to pools on platforms like Uniswap can earn you trading fees. You become a market maker, and in return you receive a portion of the transaction fees generated. 4. Crypto savings accounts. Several platforms, like BlockFi or Celsius, allow you to deposit your cryptocurrency to earn interest. These platforms lend out your coins and pay you a percentage. 5. Airdrops and forks. Keep an eye on new projects that offer airdrops for holders of existing tokens. Participating in forks can also generate additional tokens when a blockchain splits. The beautiful aspect of passive income strategies is that they don't require daily attention. With the right strategy in place, you can enjoy your life while your money works for you. 5. Step-by-step guide to earning $1,000 daily. So you're aiming for that golden figure of $1,000 daily. Let's craft a step-by-step guide to potentially reach that target. Step 1. Define your trading strategy. Take your time to define your risk tolerance, your investment goal, and the amount of time you can dedicate to trading. Deciding whether you want to engage in day trading or opt for a more relaxed approach will set the foundation for your journey. Step 2. Create a secure crypto portfolio. Diversification is key. Allocate your funds across various assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, to lower the impact of ETH or volatility on any single coin. Step 3. Leverage ChatGPT tools. Use ChatGPT to conduct market analysis, learn trading strategies, and even evaluate new projects. Be consistent in engaging with this powerful tool to leverage its benefits fully. Step 4. Automate trading processes. Utilize trading bots or AI platforms to handle repetitive tasks such as placing orders, setting stop loss, and monitoring trends. This saves time and prevents emotional decision-making. Step 5. Passive income integration. Think of passive income as complementary. While you actively trade, set aside a portion of your capital for staking EU or yield farming to accumulate earnings effortlessly. It's all about enhancing your revenue streams. Step 6. Continuous learning, the markets. change, and so should you. Dedicate time to ongoing learning. Use ChatGPT or crypto-focused education platforms to stay updated on the latest trends, market conditions, and new technologies. Step 7. Measure and optimize. Keep track of your performance systematically. Monthly reviews of what worked and what didn't can inform changes in your strategy to improve your chances of hitting that $1,000 daily target. By following this structure, you align yourself not just for potential income but also for sustained growth in your financial journey. 6 success stories and case studies. Talk is cheap. So let's unveil some inspiring success stories from individuals who've used ChatGPT and crypto trading to achieve financial freedom. We will analyze how they began, their strategies, and where they are now. 1. Case study 1. Sarah's story. Sarah, a former school teacher, started dabbling in crypto trading during the pandemic. She leveraged ChatGPT to understand market dynamics and developed a diversified portfolio. By combining active trading with staking, she now earns $1,200 monthly on average, while still maintaining her day job. 2. Case study 2. Mark's transformation. Mark began trading as a side hustle, using ChatGPT's insights and suggestions. His application of automated trading techniques proved pivotal. He turned an initial investment of $5,000 into over $60,000 in under a year. Mark focuses on combining strategies, using ChatGPT to tweak his approach regularly. 3. Case study 3. Linda's crypto income. Linda relied on passive income opportunities. After investing $10,000 in 2 major cryptocurrencies and staking them, she began earning enough passive income to cover her mortgage. She couples this with astute trading patterns, informed by ChatGPT's analysis. These real-life stories demonstrate the potential of combining technology with strategy and hard work, encouraging you to take the leap and explore similar opportunities. 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's highlight some common pitfalls those new to crypto often encounter. Learning from mistakes can save you lots of time and money. 1. On fear or greed can lead to devastating losses. Ensure your decisions are grounded in research and data rather than emotions. 2. Ignoring research. A common novice error is failing to do the requisite background research on cryptocurrencies before investing. Prices can be misleading. Always investigate before over-leveraging positions. Many new traders are drawn to leverage, which amplifies both gains and losses. For newbies, it's often better to trade without leverage until you build a solid understanding. 4. Neglecting fees and taxes. Several platforms charge withdrawal fees, transaction fees, and other costs. Understand these if you wish to avoid nasty financial surprises down the line. Additionally, be aware of the tax implications of crypto trading. 5. Underestimating security. Not setting up secure wallets and over-relying on exchanges can lead to significant losses through hacks. Always prioritize security. Consider hardware wallets for storing your assets safely. By being aware of these mistakes, you can navigate the intricate world of crypto trading more effectively. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to using ChatGPT for crypto trading and earning passive income. From understanding the nuances of ChatGPT, trading strategies, passive income methods, real-life success stories to avoiding common pitfalls, this video has demystified the path to possible financial independence. If you found value in today's content, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more powerhouse content on money mastery and financial freedom. Remember, we're building a community here in Money Mastery Ideas. Share your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments below. Together we can grow in knowledge and expand our financial horizons.